Here we have a project in the Boys and Girls Clubs of Clifton. We are installing approximately 5,000 square feet of Congoleum Triversa luxury vinyl plank. It has an attached cork backing, and we're going to install it all in these areas here. Unique situation, we have vinyl tile here and we have carpet tile here. Due to the nature of the carpet tile being glued down, we have to remove the carpet tile, and due to the residual adhesive under there, which is sticky, and the material needs to float and not stick to the floor, we have to skim over that residual adhesive so the tile can float right over it. And here we are, where we're partially doing the installation of the skim coat. The room is about halfway picked up with the carpet tile, and we're using a Portland base patch just to do a skim over that adhesive so we can go directly over it without having any problems of the vinyl cork backing sticking to it, because it needs to float. So this is a large project, just getting started now, and it would take us approximately maybe a full week to continue the complete project, where we don't have the carpet tile to worry about. Guys are just prepping it, getting ready, and they'll be going directly over the vinyl tile and install the new cove base around the whole room. So again, a large project. We're getting started, and we'll see how everything continues. Here, this room is completely skimmed, dry, and getting ready for the installation. As we back out here, this is tile, we don't have to skim it. This large room, on this section, carpet tile was picked up. It's all skimmed and dried, and the guys are setting up the installation, getting the first row of planks set in, and they will continue coming down, installing the material throughout this area. So the project continues. And in this room, the material is a little more than halfway installed. This is a separate classroom. Guys will probably finish this today and then continue working in the larger area. So you could see this beautiful Congoleum Triversa plank in this gray format. Very easy to maintain and clean for this type of project. So we continue. And here is progress in a large room. Have about 1,000 square feet installed, and the project continues. This is the largest area. We'll continue all the way around, and here's the area that was skimmed. So the material is going to continue all the way around and through into this larger room. Separate room is just about completed. Just to do a little area in the bathroom area and just put up the vinyl base, and this will finish this room. Project continues. And the work progresses. This large room here is basically all finished. Just need to put the cove base up, and we're coming around in this front area. We have to do a little extra work in order to continue the material right through, to connect it through this doorway, but it'll work in, and we'll get that together, and then the final push to finish this last room. The project is just wrapping up in this large room, cleaning up. Just got to put the cove base all around in this larger room. They're setting up all the children tables and desks for the daycare. Continued all around. There's an office. And here's the larger area here. So this completes this project. A little over 5,000 square feet of Congoleum Triversa luxury vinyl plank in this daycare center and the Boys and Girls Club of Clifton. So this is a perfect situation where in this type of atmosphere and environment, the cleanability and the maintainability is very easy for the children and for the maintenance people to clean the floor. So it works perfectly. So if you want to see additional videos, at the end of this video, click on the playlist, and you can go to our website at fashion-carpets.com, go to our video gallery and see all other different categories of flooring videos. And if you would go to the subscribe button, if you would please subscribe to our YouTube channel, we'd greatly appreciate it. And thank you for watching.